All right, let's get into it. 1987 Monte Carlo SS with T-tops. I'm gonna enjoy this one. Y'all should know by now I love G-bodies, and the Monte Carlo SS is one of the most popular. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. Nice driver quality condition. She has a few minor blemishes and imperfections, but from 3 feet away you won't be able to tell. She got the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic. T-top channels nice and clean.
It'll go up there prior before it goes to any social media feed. Just so happens to pay attention to the other video, couldn't caught that one, but it's one of the other pictures rather. It'll go there first, and after that,
Y'all know the Monte Carlo SS got a lot of history with NASCAR. And they sold quite well. The most versatile car platform ever created. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she nice and solid. Deck lid is in excellent shape. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. I'll pause it so y'all can check it out. Trunk is nice and solid. Look like she previously had a sound system installed. Interior is in great shape. She has all the options: power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console. Lower dash. She reads a little over 62,000. Upper dash. That's the only spot she got on her. She's in overall great shape. Back seat is in good condition. Package tray nice and clean. Headliner good. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the high output 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control. She has all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She's running nice and smooth. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Don't miss out, guys. This one bad G-body. Y'all have a good one.